I'm on my motorcycle, yeah, I'm on my motorcycle. I'm on my motorcycle, yeah, I'm on my motorcycle. Jixer,
Honda,
CBR,
Thunder,
Yamaha, Stutton,
Kawasaki doing 100.
I'm on my motorcycle, yeah, I'm on my motorcycle. I'm on my motorcycle, yeah, I'm on my motorcycle. What? What? What?
What up, what up, what up? Kings 23 Kicks here, boy. Your boy is back here on the scene, and we today are back downtown Austin doing what we do the best, community service work. So, but this time we're not feeding the homeless. What we're doing is actually giving them clothes, shirts, shoes, that type of stuff, because you know when they're out here it is hard for them to get that type of stuff. They're not able to get it. So it's not only about feeding the homeless, stuff like that. Like I said, we do blanket drives, food drives, all that stuff, but we actually do clothes. So we're getting them lined up right now. We're down here and getting them here. As you can see, we got a whole trailer full of stuff, men clothes, we even had baby stuff, but that's actually going to another cause. We had kid clothes and stuff like that, so we're gonna do that, but we're getting everybody lined up. As you can see, they're out here. And we're gonna get them together, man. So that's my boy Uncle Face.
Hello, world.
My man's Bigfoot. He looking like he kind of sleepy right now. He just pulled up.
Hanging out with Free Throw.
Hanging out with Free Throw till 5 in the morning.
Who you with? Hey, boys.
Yeah.
There go my boy. Best friend.
My boy Alfred, you know what I'm saying? Free Throw. Yeah, we're gonna get it.
You don't know who that is?
Already getting it in. That boy Magic.
What's good?
Yeah,
Say the same thing one more time. Just for your people. We ain't out here glorifying what we're doing. We just shedding light on the need that community needs in our town. We don't want no praise. We ain't trying to do that. This is the stuff we do for the love of our heart. You see other people out here doing certain things, other color, other races, but you don't ever see us out here doing it. So this is what we doing, bringing awareness to it. Ain't looking for no pat on the back. We appreciate all that. But this is what we do. You got to take care of the people who can't take care of themselves sometimes. Bad boy.
There it is, mouthful. Drop the mic, know what I'm saying?
I got it.
Yeah, you got
I got it.
Got that
I got it.
cowboy shirt, huh?
Oh, you got the best thing.
Thank you.
This ain't one way in his mouth. But I ain't gonna tell nobody else.
Way stressing me. Coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a push I on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.